Hello guys, it's Paul here at TFT Computers IT for Tomorrow. Just wanted to show you this laptop which we're about to do the maintenance. As you can see, it's very dusty inside and obviously it's not good. Just if your laptop is more than 3 years old, most likely it looks something like that inside because it sucks all the dust in and obviously it gets dusty over time, and because of the dust it's going to overheat, and at some point it will just fail because of the overheating, so it runs much hotter and the performance is also affected. It's not good, and there's a screwdriver pointing towards the CPU, so the CPU is right there but underneath, so that is the hottest area in this laptop. So I definitely recommend to do the maintenance, and you can also get the upgrades done at the same time if your machine is older than 3 years, so because it's obviously gets very dusty inside. Thank you.